Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna learn all about spelling and we're gonna create bracelets. Are you excited?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you excited?
Yes!
Me too. Let's do it. Okay, first we have to pick our string. I picked purple, and then we have to measure our wrist. Leave a little room to tie a knot. Perfect. What should we spell first? Should we spell I love you? Get it? Because I love you.
Yay!
Need an I, L, O, V, E, Y, O, U. Look, it's all made. Now let's tie it in a knot. Our very first bracelet. That was so much fun.
Wow!
What should we spell next? Should we do Moony? Look, we have so many amazing colors. We have pink, red, orange, yellow, green, teal, blue, and purple. And our letters, we have white letters, silver letters, and black letters. This is gonna be so much fun.
Yay!
All right, let's spell Moony. M, O, N, Y. Moony. They're so pretty. Thanks so much much for creating with me and learning how to spell. I had so much fun. And don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.